This is TJ. In this video I'm going to quickly introduce 40 programs that are completely free to download and use. This is one of 3 videos that I'm producing, the goal of which is to provide a quick introduction to these free software programs and give you an idea for what they can do, what's out there and available as far as free software and open source software is concerned. If this piques your interest, any of these, you can watch my other videos where I do a more in-depth and detailed review of these programs, and I show you how they run, what they can create, what they can do. Also, you can find download links for these if you want to download them and try them out for yourself. Those can be found at my website, tjfree.com. And all of these ones in this video are open source software with the exception of SketchUp, which is a freeware and it comes in free and paid versions. This first program, GIMP, is a program very similar to Adobe Photoshop, great for photo manipulation and bitmap image editing. Inkscape is a program very similar to Adobe Illustrator. It's a vector image editor and creator. Scribus is a desktop publishing tool, and it's similar to Adobe InDesign and QuarkXPress. FontForge is a font editor and creator and can also be used to convert fonts from one format to another. Gpic is a color scheme generator and a color palette creator. Digicam is a program similar to Adobe Lightroom, and it's a photo management and tag editing program for images and organizing. It can also view files, and work with raw image files. UFRAW is a program for working with raw image files and can work as a plugin with GIMP or is also a standalone program. ImageMagick is a program for working with multiple image files at once and altering them and editing them, but multiple at a time, or individually, I guess. It's a command line only tool. There's no graphical user interface for it. PhotoRec also has no graphical user interface, and it's a program for recovering deleted files off of media storage devices like SD cards, USB drives, and even hard drives. GreenShot is a program for capturing whatever's on your screen, taking a picture of your screen, and gives you lots of functionality over what different areas you can capture. SketchUp is a program for creating 3D art and 3D models. Sweet Home 3D is an interior design program for layouts of furniture and for visualizing a 3D space. Very easy to use and not nearly as hard as a CAD program would be. Dia is a program for creating diagrams and flowcharts, and it's good for has lots of different purposes, but you can use it also to create charts that will be embedded in AutoCAD CAD documents or different things like that. FreeCAD is a program similar to AutoCAD. BRLCAD also a program similar to AutoCAD. Blender is a 3D animation engine and program. You can use it to create 3D art, 3D animations, as well as entire video games have been made and entire 3D productions similar to like the Pixar films like Toy Story and Finding Nemo. It's that kind of tool. So it's similar to the program Maya and 3D Studio Max. Okay, Scratch is a program for creating, it's like a programming language for kids kind of, but you can also do animations and create simple games with it. Synfig is a 2D animation program, as well as Tupi and Pencil. These are all 2D animation programs, so like creating 2D cartoons. Spec is a spectrogram viewer for audio files, lets you see the quality of an audio file. Cam Studio is the program I'm using right now to record this video. Looks like this. So it lets you do screencasts and create videos of whatever's on your computer screen. Record My Desktop does the exact same thing as Cam Studio, only they each run under different operating systems, Windows and Linux and Mac, I think. iSpy is a program for a home security program. It turns cameras and microphones into monitoring devices for your home. VirtualDub is a program that can also, you can capture video from your webcam and you can transcode video from one format to another and do a little bit of video editing. In fact, all these next 5 programs are video editors: Avidemux, Cinelera, Lightworks, Kdenlive, and OpenShot. And they all work on different operating systems and have different strengths and weaknesses, but they're all video editing programs. This program here, Hydrogen, is a rhythm-based drum machine. You can create drum beats, and it's as pattern-based, so it'll keep repeating over and over, and you can create good rhythms with it. Danemo is a program for creating sheet music for your computer, or using your computer to create sheet music. LilyPond does the same thing. Danemo is kind of a front end for LilyPond. LilyPond's just the engraver side. It'll engrave the music and create really good looking and sheet music. MuseScore, also a sheet music creator and editor. You can import MIDI files with it, and also with Tux Guitar you can import MIDI files with both of these, and then it'll arrange where those notes go on the MIDI files. Tux Guitar is a program for guitarists and also any other musician, but it lets you create and compose sheet music, also guitar tablature. Mix is a DJing software. You can use it for live broadcasting or for mixing music at parties and clubs and things like that. Zin Add-Sub-Effects is a synthesizer engine. You can use it with a MIDI keyboard or just use your keyboard to play the notes. It's for creating synthesized music. LMMS, it stands for Linux Multimedia Studio, and it's a digital audio workstation for creating digital music and synthesized music. It also features Zin Add-Sub-Effects as one of the integrated programs inside of it. Ardour is also a digital media workstation. You can use it to record different tracks, audio tracks. It's like something you would use in an audio recording studio. And Audacity is a program for just recording audio and applying different effects and filters to it. So those are the videos, the programs in this video. Go ahead and check out part 2 after this, and part 3 where I cover 40 more programs in each one of them. And appreciate you watching. Like I said, you can find more information about these and instructions on how to install them and tutorials on how to use them at my website, tjfree.com. Hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.